Hey guys, Clay with eknives.com. I wanted to go over the Microtech Makora 2 out the front automatic. The last video I did, apparently I didn't show the retraction on it. I apologize for that. Doing videos is not my favorite thing, so bear with me. This is one of the largest out the fronts on the market, and it's a Microtech double action OTF. The overall length on it is about 10.5 inches long. The handle is 5 3/4 inches long. I've got two models here. This is the 106-6 RD. This is the red anodized with a carbon fiber inlay, as you can see. And this is the just the standard gray carbon fiber inlay. So I'll show you this one first. Fires like a rocket. This has got the this is the full serrated. This is 106-6 RD. Full serrated. So the top edge is full serrated. They have a their part serrated models are serrated about halfway on both sides, but full serrated is always top edge serrated. So anyway, beautiful knife. It's got the glass breaker, pocket clip, all be blasted. It's got the Microtech logo, the Makora ant logo, and the born on date, which is 11/2014, and its serial number at the top. As you can see, beautiful satin finish blade on that. It says Makora 2. I'll show the retraction. I have small hands. Typically, the Scarab and the Combat Troodon are hard for me to retract. This Makora is fairly easy. In fact, I can do it with most Makoras, so which is pretty cool. A large knife, you know, the handle, like I said, almost 6 inches. But it's pretty thin. You know, it's basically the Ultratech on steroids. So automatic thumb slide on the side. Here is the black model. Aluminum, anodized aluminum on the side. Frame basically is aluminum, and then it's got carbon fiber inlay. This is the black double edge 106-1. Beautiful knife all the way around. Definitely a must-have. They're up on the site right now. I got both of these in stock. I've got a few other red ones in the satin blade. I think I've got the partial and the full serrated. I'm actually doing 10% off right now at the time of this video. These knives are $450, but you can get 10% off, so that's another $41 off. Pretty good deal, so you can't beat that. Grab them while you can. All Microtech stuff is 10% off right now, and I've got just about everything in stock, a little bit of everything. So go to eknives.com. Thanks, guys.